I see the future in my mind, gotta get it right. I hear the voice up in my head, tell me go and fight. Everybody looking like the same. You wanna make it and tryna live the 9 to 5. We ain't go back, we understand we lost time. I ain't gon' make a waste of what was once mine. Tryna hold for all the people left behind. Yeah, I be turning fast, nobody catch me. Kill away from the back, tryna match me. Standing close so when they graze me, watch me carry. I know better than my past, so they ain't gon' use me. We say that we can take, give me booty cake. I got started like a game, yeah, that choice is made. Cover I'm to blame, clear my name. Soon I'm ready for the break, yeah, for the fame. Yeah, they wanna find somebody, one of the best. Somebody young like the rest. Watch him look and assess. Got nobody to mess, waking up with the best. Looking at the mirror, I'm the only contest. All the sides with me.
Lately I've been thinking about you, stuck on the past but keeping it cool, knowing it's our turn to leave school, chasing dreams that we will all want to pursue. 'Cause me and you, baby, it's familiarity. Please don't leave without goodbyes. No, I gotta stop with all this holding on to, but know that I'm rethinking of all the times that we would just laugh and argue. I just can't get you out of my mind.
To an automatic voice message system. At the tone, please record your message.
No, it's so hard, baby. Though I see you now, but I will miss you when you're gone. No, it's so hard, but maybe. Though I see you now, but I will miss you when you're gone. Cause me and you, baby, it's familiarity. Please don't leave without goodbyes. No, I gotta stop with all this holding on to, but know that I'm rethinking of all the times that we would just laugh and argue. I just can't get you out of my mind.
For the memories that we hold, I'll take care of my own. You and me for the goal. This is how we go.
Give us your favorite quote of the year.
Oh, fire!
Guys, please give us your favorite quote of the year.
KS on the bullets, bro.
KS on the bush?
Yes.
And for you? For you guys? Hunga Buster style?
Real.
Favorite quote of the year? She doesn't know? Favorite quote of the year? Jazz on the bush.